Hello student, how are you? Today I am going to making you understand and I am giving you question answer also. Class 5 Environment chapter number 7. It is page number 129 to 137. It is all important question I am going to giving you. Then you have to learn very carefully because this is very important. Okay, let's start video. This is annoyed. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ये अनॉइट इन द सेंस टीका टीका लिखो जो होता है ना, टिप्पणी दो, वो है. और ये 5 नंबर के लिए आता है, तो ये इसीलिए मैं दे रही हूँ. हर चैप्टर में मैंने कुछ कुछ ब्रॉड क्वेश्चन दिया है आपको, तो वो आपको याद कर लेना है. ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो मोस्टली आता है. तो चलिए इसका इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन मैं आपको पढ़ के बता देती हूँ. लेट्स स्टार्ट. माइनिंग इज़ वेस्ट बंगाल एनॉइट. ओके, then answer will be most of the coal mining is West Bengal are Asansol and located in the northeast. Apart from this, there are many coal mines in Birbhum, Bankura and Purulia districts. This coal mine is spread over an area is about 1,500 square kilometer. Worker enter the coal mine by cutting a tunnel in the ground. The coal is then lifted and transported by lorry to a specific location. The area where the coal is cut out are filled with sand and earth. This is annoyed. You should learn just because it will become maybe. Okay. What gases are in coal smoke? Answer will be coal smoke contain oxide of sulfur dioxide, of nitrogen and oxide of carbon. Next, what is the name of the precipitation that this gas mix with rainwater? This gas mix with rainwater to form precipitation, acid rain. What damage is caused by the acid rain? As a result of the acid rain, soil, plant and mountains are damaged. Why the collapse? Defined it. Okay. The hilly area, the soil is loosened in the plants are cut at will. The result is collapse. It coal mine, there are also collapse. How to deal with collapse? Tree need to be planted to cope with landslide. When planting a tree is root of the tree clings to the soil so it doesn't collapse. Apart from after the removal of coal from the mine, the whites were filled with sand and collapse stopped. Okay, it is also very important question. What are the minerals extracted or collected from a mine is called a minerals. What are mine? The place from where minerals are extracted is called mine. What are the charcoal? That is question number page number 129 130. That is okay, that is 130. Extinguishing burning wood with sex or water will leave the fuel in it. This is called charcoal. Why is amount of carbon is coal more or less? Page number 131. When coal is formed deep in the soil under high pressure and heat for a long time, the carbon content of that coal is high and other things are low. On the other hand, coal formed at a shallower depth in the soil has less carbon content due to less pressure. That is all our broad question. 2, 3, 4 numbers. That's why. Now, what do you mean by Volcano. Page number 131. From the interior of the earth, through the pores that hot liquid rocks release various type of a gas, steam, ash, and rocks hence to the surface. It is known as volcano. What is coal used for? Page number 129 also and 132 also. Okay, coal is used as fuel as cooking, brisk burning, thermal power or generation. Name a poisonous gas present in smoke. Page number 132. Poisonous gas is smoke is called carbon monoxide. Okay. Next, name two gas which are responsible for acid rain. The two gases responsible for acid rain and oxide are carbon dioxide and sulfur. Now 15 number question. How can a fear of collapsing in coal mine be reduced? 133. That is important question. More than that. Okay. That's why ये बहुत important question है बच्चों, इसीलिए मैंने स्टार मार्क दिया है. और ये क्वेश्चन हो सकता है और ये क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. व्हाट इज द वे रिड्यूस लैंडस्लाइड इन माइनिंग एरिया? आंसर होगा सेवरल मेजर can be taken to reduce to risk of collapse in coal mine, such as filling to the voids well with sand after coal mining. Trees can be planted to keep the sand and soil from becoming loose. Because the root of the tree spread like a net under the soil and holds the soil, as a result, the fear of collapse is reduced. How are coal or petroleum made? पेज नंबर आप देख लीजिए 131 और 134, इसमें दोनों में हो सकता है. The underground petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. are converted into coal due to the heat of the plant buried under the ground for long time. Apart from this, due to the heavy pressure of the crust due to earth movement, the plant turns into coal. Small marine animals are buried in the sedimentary rocks at the bottom of the sea. These are decomposed by various bacteria to produce petroleum. Okay. What are fossils? It is also important. Okay. एक्चुअली मैं जितना भी देती हूँ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आता है, उसमें से आपका पक्का आना ही है. तो प्लीज़ आप लोग सब क्वेश्चन को लर्न जरूर करें. इफ डेड प्लांट एंड एनिमल आर बरीड अंडरग्राउंड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इन द रॉक्स, द इम्प्रिंट ऑफ दिस प्लांट और एनिमल आर लेफ्ट इन द रॉक्स. इट इज नोन एज फॉसिल्स. What do you mean by fossils fuel? 134 page number. Carbon rich organic matter stored underground such as coal, minerals, oil and natural gas are called fossil fuel. Give two examples of fossil fuels. Page number 134. Coal, one number coal and second number petroleum or mineral oil. Third number, what is the petroleum? Defined it. Page number 135. Mineral oil is extracted from the underground in crude form. After refining, this extracted mineral oil, petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. are obtained from it. Next 22. What are the byproducts of coal? Page number 134. Available from coal as byproducts: coal, gas, coke, tar, naphthalene, pitch, liquid, ammonia, etc. Fill in the blanks. देखिए मैं सिर्फ पढ़ रही हूँ, ये अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है, ये आपको अंडरलाइन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में करना है. कोल आर कंसिडर मिनरल्स. कोल में आप फिल इन द गैप करेंगे. कोल इज फाउंड इन रानीगंज, आसनसोल, located about 100 meters above sea level. Number 4, the major minerals resource of West Bengal are a coal, South Chobis Parganas, which have no coal mines. 6 number, animal plant are main component of everything, carbon, formed from tree buried thousands of years ago, coal. Major component of coal is carbon. Next, hot lava flow out from coal mine from volcanoes. The poisonous gas present in smoke are carbon monoxide. Currently, coal is mostly used in thermal power. Kerosene is produced from petroleum. It look like mud, petroleum. ये इसको क्वेश्चन में भी बना सकते हो. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ पेट्रोलियम लुक लाइक, देन यू हैव टू राइट इट लुक लाइक मड पेट्रोलियम. ओके. व्हाट आर द मेन मिनरल्स रिसोर्स ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल? निश्चय है कोल. राइट द नेम ऑफ 4 क्लासेस ऑफ कोल: एंथ्रोसाइट, बिटुमिनस, लिग्नाइट एंड पीट. Okay, which is the best coal? Anthracite. What is the lowest quality coal? Peat. What is the black diamond? Coal. Name some metallic minerals: magnesite, dolomite, zinc, copper, etc. Name one substance used as fuel. Coal. Which energy do we get by using coal? Thermal energy. ये है true or false. Iron mines are found in Asansol and Raniganj. False. Coal mines consist tunnel. True. The color of coal is black. Right. In the sense true. West Bengal's main minerals resource in mica. False. There are many coal mines in East Mednipur, Hooghly and Howrah. False. ये है मैच. फॉसिल फ्यूल आर, इसका आंसर होगा 3 नंबर पेट्रोलियम. ऐसे देखिए यहाँ पर 1 का 3 दिया है, 2 का 4 दिया है, 3 का 2 दिया है, 4 का 1 दिया है. आप देखिए इन आसनसोल रानीगंज 4 नंबर देयर आर मेनी कोल माइंस. Most of the coal is iron. 3 number 2 carbon is poisonous gas is carbon monoxide. Okay. Next 2 number also, it is made by mixing coal power and soil. It is 1/4. इसका आंसर होगा गुल. Muddy and muddy products, इसका आंसर होगा पेट्रोलियम. The main minerals resource of West Bengal, इसका आंसर होगा कोल. कैन बी मेड विथ चारकोल, टुबरी. ठीक है, इसका आंसर देख लीजिए. 1 का 4, 2 का 2 एंड 3 का 1 एंड 4 का 2. ठीक है, 2 का 3 है. ठीक है, ये कुछ क्वेश्चन है. देखिए पेज नंबर 129. वेयर दिस कोल कम फ्रॉम रानीगंज. वेयर इज सिचुएटेड रानीगंज? 80 to 90 kilometer away toward the West Bardhaman. 3 नंबर में how depth the coal in the Asansol? 600 meter. When pound are made, then what will be exposed? Finally the sand soil is exposed. आंसर होगा ये. एंड 5 नंबर में है what do you mean by open pit mine? If the mine keep shifting, finally the coal will exposed there are called the open pit mine. That is also very important question. How the bigger mine are? The bigger mine are very deep. Tunnel are dug through which you enter the mine. It is the sum with the wall and ceiling. Also water seeps at many places. The place is muddy. Are this no electricity light? Yes, but they don't give enough light for you to see in place covered with black coal on all sides, but the course is guide so to the path. Which level the Asansol situated? Asansol 100 meter above sea level. What is the main wealth of West Bengal? Of course, coal. Okay. Next, 134. All kind of the fire are some kind of fire give off the some amount of heat or not. All bodies fire did not have some heat. Intensity of heat varies. What kind of work required such hot fire? It is used melt iron in factories. It also used for generating electricity. Electricity can be used to what? Which do kinds of work? Electricity can be used to do all kind of work, light, TV, computer, etc. work using which work require less heat. Some work require less heat and some like cooking requires more. How to make gul and which was used it in? Pieces of coal were mixed with mud to make gul, which was used in cooking. Coal with low carbon content, what can be used for? Cooking. Very hot fire, which type coal is required? If a very hot is required, then a purser form of coal required. We must search for coal with high carbon content. When will be coal depleted? Coal will be continue after that, but even that will depleted after a few hundred years. Which are known as fossil fuel? Coal and petroleum are both known as a fossil fuel. एक मैंने fossil fuel दिया है जो बड़ा है, ये एकदम 1 नंबर का है, वो 2 या 3 नंबर का होगा तो उसमें वो लिखना, और जो 1 नंबर का होगा वो इसमें लिखना, ठीक है. What obtained from the petroleum? Petroleum, diesel and kerosene obtained from the petroleum. How to make the petroleum? Petroleum is thick and the muddy is appearance and is found below the soil. It is formed from animal and plants in manner similar to coal. तो बच्चों में देखिए मैंने 129 to 134 पूरा इम्पोर्टेंट जितना हो सकता था उतना टोटल क्वेश्चन आंसर मैंने आपके लिए बनाया है, और उसको बहुत ही केयरफुली लर्न करें. मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. मैं नहीं चाहती कि मेरे कोई भी स्टूडेंट का 1 नंबर भी कट हो, तो प्लीज़ इसको बहुत केयर से पढ़ें. और मैं आप सभी के लिए बहुत मेहनत करके ये क्वेश्चन आंसर बनाती हूँ, तो मैं इतना चाहूँगी कि बस आप मेरे लिए ऐसे ही प्यार बनाए रखें. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए बाय बाय, जय हिंद, सुस्त रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए.